Hey, you guys, to laugh, to love, and to learn. We try to do all those things here. This is a place of inclusion and diversity. If your job needs that training, let them know. Inclusion and diversity needs to be addressed. Hey, if y'all know y'all been looking at your neighbor, your ghetto translator, your ghetto true informant, who is not certified or qualified, but through the game of life, I landed on this side. So subscribe, like, link, share. You know, well, I ain't got no ads or nothing because I don't get paid for none of these reviews. But I'm finna do one now. These nails, kiss. Well, this one didn't come with this one, but just this one, the thing ain't in there, but it was $3. So, like, if you're not into designing or making lines and pictures and stuff, buy the nail. They got all kind of assortment. Short. This is the short, of course. You can kind of do one like with some glitter on it. I probably do that tomorrow. Like put some little dots on it or something, just to make it look a little special. But I like Kiss Nails. They not paying me. Just so you can feel beautiful, beauty tip, beauty styles, ways to be beautiful inside and out. They soft too, and I learned that the short ones don't pop off as fast. I guess because you're not putting so much pressure on them, and them long ones was like too long. But I can't say I want to do it again on some. I want to switch it up, but too long. So, with that being said, you know I gotta read. We talking about black statistics. Just so you know where the black dollar go and where it count in America. So, if you want to check out my video about my Essence review, you can because that's where I'm reading this from. Black women are 61% more likely to spend more money per person on soap and bath needs than their white counterparts. When it comes to buying fragrances and toiletries, black women are 44% more likely to spend more dollars per person than their white peers. So if they take this about the money, 61% is a D, that's passing. 44%, baby, that's an F, but 44% is close to 50%, which is half. So, wonder why your advertisers look like you, all the commercials and stuff are looking like different types of black women because we shop around and on a budget and we getting our things together. So, I just like reread these. I mean, like, I don't know who did this. Essence, did they change editors or whatever? Because I got my old one. I like that one. I want to look it up and look in it. But this one, honey, yes, honey. Miss Viola, let me stop fanning out. But okay, this is the other one I want to read. 68% of black women say they are content with the way they look, which is 2% more than white women. Well, hey, that's a given. We give our self esteem out here. We just don't give it to each other. So, black ladies, let's try to be nicer and kinder to each other. Get some unity in the workplace. A little nice kindness. A little bit. Try to help each other out a little bit. If you like this wig, took hellas for me to style this. Like I had to figure out where it was going and what it was doing. Look at my recent upload about the protest at home. You don't have to keep watching it, but I review it at the beginning. So if you don't like me for who I am and don't want to keep looking at me and talking to me, that's okay because I'm going to give you what you want. I'm going to give you what you need. Kiki, are you writing? This your girl. Or your associate. Or your friend. Or that girl over there, she cool, but I don't know her like that. Or your lady at the Dollar General, the Family Dollar, the Dollar Tree. Always trying to be sweet. So, what else are we going to do today? It do feel like Y2K around this. Do y'all remember Y2K? If you remember Y2K, sorry, boo. You getting old. But that was in 2000 when, like, everybody thought the world was going to end. And it was like, well, I was filling up water bottle. I was like 13, 12, 14, something. Something like that. Anyway, you know what I was thinking about? I was thinking about how the kindergarten be punking the fifth grade at the school. Like, these are facts. And what else did I want to talk to you guys about? And I did want to do another statistic. When it comes to black women's fragrance, well, when it comes to women fragrances, women's fragrances. Overall, a purchase. United States analyst statistics. This would not be in here if this was not legitimate information. Know your sources. I have video on that. I don't know where you could find it. I can't link it because I know I got to link this other stuff. But when it comes to women's fragrances, black people spend 152 million in 2017, which was 22.3% of the 679 million spent. So let's put that in terms. Okay, out of 152 million in 2007. Hey, I'm not good at math. Y'all got to decode that one for y'allself. Here go a screenshot just in case you want a little screenshot. But we doing numbers, honey, in a legitimate way. So don't count yourself out today. I want to say that's everything, cause I'm not, I ain't about to fluff you and duff you to death. I give you what you need and we out. So 5-minute getaway today. Mwah. I love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.